over here. Everything camera and mobile related. Normally, this microphone is over here, and this camera sits over here. This computer is my old computer, which I use for transferring files from this camera onto here, up to Google Cloud, and then over to here, because this does not have a plug-in for the SD card in that camera. I bought this light bulb that changes colors. Which is pretty dope if you ask me. Which will act as an accent light for when I'm recording on this end. This is the Samsung Q2U dynamic microphone, which has this jack that plugs into this audio interface, which goes directly into my computer, which I record on GarageBand. GarageBand because I can tweak the sound settings to make it sound cleaner. I have my high quality gaming headset for the cleanest audio, so when I'm editing videos or gaming, it sounds crisp. Now, my Mac Mini M1 with the Apple Silicon 8.1 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, a terabyte worth of storage, kills it. I mean, this Mac Mini runs Photoshop, Final Cut Pro, uploads videos to YouTube while running a capture software without any hiccups. This computer is a game changer. It absolutely destroys at processing. This, my HP monitor. It's 165 Hertz, a 1 millisecond lag time. If you're a gamer, you know that 1 millisecond lag time is key, especially when you're trying to level up. This, my 32-inch LG editing monitor, which is hooked to that. Lots of space to create high quality edits and be able to see the whole timeline clearly. Now, my desk, folding table, white folding table, covered in a tablecloth to help dampen sound because sound bounces off of the plastic table. This vision board, YouTube how-to, health and diet, on the ranch, gaming. Shift for Success is not on there, which is the podcast. But that's how I stay focused. Now, this compared to that. This helps with sound a ton. If you record in a room that has hard flooring and blank walls like this used to, you need a rug and tablecloths and a backdrop, soundproofing, a window covering, because we all know windows bounce the most sound, and a killer setup. Now, this whole setup, including the camera, the Zoom H1N1 microphone, the Samsung Q2U microphone, the audio interface, the Mac M1 Mini, my FinFine condenser microphone, the capture card, the lights, the foam, the chair, everything. This is about a $5,000 studio, but I did it in bits and pieces, so it wasn't all at once, and slowly upped my YouTube game to get to here. Now, that all being said, this is my YouTube studio, and we're leveling up because the goal is to get 1% better with every upload. This is how I started my day.